Hey guys, what's up? It's Mimi. So today's video is going to be my first ever review on the Morphe palette. This is the first palette I've ever gotten from Morphe. I've heard so many good things about this brand, like how their eyeshadows are really pigmented and that they are such an affordable price. So I got the 35Os palette, which looks like this. It's all shimmers, which is something different for me because I usually do like an all matte look with like a shimmer lid, but that's pretty much it. So I have been playing around with this for about a week now, and I have figured out a few looks with this palette that I really like. So for the first half of this video, I just want to do a quick little review about this palette, and then for the second half, I'm going to show you guys what of the makeup looks I like to do with these colors and only these colors. So if you like this video, don't forget to give this a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below so you don't miss out on any new videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So I just want to do a few swatches for you guys because this palette is freaking gorgeous. I love this palette so much. I use this every single day now when I do my eye makeup. So let's do this color. The one that actually broke is one of my favorite colors ever, and like it's so pigmented. Like that's one swatch, and like I didn't even put that much on my hand, and it's gorgeous. I don't even know what to say. It's amazing. And then my other favorite color is this one right here, and let's just swatch that one as well. This one isn't as creamy as the other ones, but it's not like chalky either. So that's one swatch. Like, they're so good. I really love this palette. And then my other favorite one is the one right here. So it's like this three like right there that I really like the most. And this is the one I use all the time. This one is just like blinding. Like, you could probably use these as highlights if you really wanted to. So these are my three favorite shades. The one thing I don't like about this palette is that there's no names, so trying to do a review on them or trying to do like a tutorial on them, it's kind of hard just because you can't really say, oh, I'm using this shade that's called blank. And also it doesn't come with a mirror, so when I'll do my makeup, I'm going to just be using my Tarte Clay Face and Eye palette for the mirror. But those are like the only two negatives about this palette. Their shadows are super pigmented, they're super creamy, there's so many options in one palette. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5 times 7. There's 35 shadows in this palette, and it costs $23, so it's less than $1 per shadow. And you can get shadows about this size from ColourPop for $5. So you're getting a pretty good deal from this palette alone. It is kind of big, and also everyone says that it looks like a laptop just because of how big it is and how slim it is. And where I keep it in my desk, I have a black desk, and where it's kept, like I can't see it that often, so I just forget it's there sometimes. But this is a really nice palette. I love this so much. I'm getting shadow all over this palette now. It shows it really easily. I don't know if you can tell or not. Now I have swatches on my hands, so I don't know what to do with that either, but I think that's it for the review part. I didn't have that much to say just because so many people have said so many good things already about it that I just want to get into the eye look. So let's zoom in and we'll start that. Okay, now that we're all zoomed in, let's just get onto the tutorial bit. So I already set my eyes with a neutral shadow that doesn't have shimmer just because of how shimmery these are. So let's just start in with this. So I start off with this color right here. It's peachy and it's really pretty. So I'm going to take my unicorn fluffy brush that I absolutely love. If you want, I'll link this down in the description below if you want to purchase these. I think I got like 14 brushes for like $13, something like that, whatever the price is, and I really like using these, and these are the brushes I use all the time. So let's just start this. So I'm taking that peachy color, and I'm just going to put that like all over my lids and all over in my crease as well, and this is going to be the base color / transition color. So let's just do that on both eyes. I don't know if you can hear outside, but it's like pouring. It's been raining this whole entire, not the whole entire, but it's been raining this whole day. It's been raining last week. It was like downpouring last week for no reason. I just want spring, please. So let's just keep on going with this. So now I have the first shadow down on my lids. I am going to go into this more orangey shadow right here, and I'm going to focus that more on my crease. And as my second transition shade. I'm focusing this more on the outer part and then dragging it slowly in. I don't want too much orange on the inside of my lid, so I'm just taking the extra from from out here and bringing it in. So I don't think I mentioned before, but if you can tell, I do have monolid eyes, so this is mainly focused towards monolid people, but you could also alter this for if you have a crease like most people do in the world, and you just do the same exact thing. It would just be you would actually have a crease and you wouldn't be carving out your crease like I am right now. Now that orange shade is down on the lids, I'm going to go into this pink shade down here, which I swatched earlier on my hand. I'll just bring it up again to show you what it is up close, but I'll just take that shade and that will be focused more on the outer 2/3 of my crease, and this will be my third crease color. Yes, I use a lot of colors in my crease because I don't have one, so I need to make sure that I have one. I need another shading brush. I'll be right back with another shading brush because I need to blend this out real bad. Okay, I am back with another shading brush, with another blending brush. This is the BH Cosmetics. I think it's 101 blending brush. I use this all the time, so I can't even tell which number it is anymore, but I'm just going to take this because this is relatively clean, and I'm just going to keep on blending this out because this is a bit too intense for me today. Okay, those look a bit more even now. So for my next shade, let's open this up again. I'm going to go into this dark burgundy color down here, and I'm going to focus that more on the outer V and to darken up that area over there. I'm going to go into the shade again, the one that I swatched earlier, and I'm going to put that all over my lids. And for the last step, I'm going to take this champagne color up here, and I'm just going to apply it on the inner corners of my eyes and also on underneath my brow bone to complete the look. So that is everything for this video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope this helps some of you guys who have monolids like me, maybe. So I really hope that this was useful and helpful. And yeah, if you like this, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below so you don't miss out on any new videos from this face. And I hope you guys are having an amazing day, amazing week. If not, I hope it gets better. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next Saturday for a brand new lifestyle video. Bye!